Yes, amazing morning, students. Am I audible to everyone in the classroom? Kelsey, Sabina, Haley,
Yes.
Anu,
Yes,
Pavitra.
ma'am.
Yes,
Very
yes,
good,
ma'am.
very good, very good.
Very good
You all
morning.
want to know how the morning will become more good to us, more amazing to us?
By doing the activity.
No, that is what we are going to do in every lecture. But it would be more amazing when everyone comes on the camera. Yes, because now, right now, I could see only Anoop on my camera. Only Anoop is interested in the lecture.
Open the
Ma'am,
camera. We all have
Oh,
to
oh,
open.
okay, okay, okay.
We are there.
Yes, yes. Now I could see most of y'all on the camera. Very good. So now my morning is going to be very good. Okay. So we have studied something like one topic in the last two session, but I'll take one example. Now what your history teacher has done is she has told everyone to carry color pens. Everyone is carrying color pens with them for the activity in the history lecture. Yes. What is the cost of your color pens, Felsi? Did you check the cost of your color pen?
70.
17 rupees?
70. 70.
770. It is 70 rupees. Right? Now, Anup, I want to buy the same color pen. Okay? But for everyone, how many students are there, Anup, in the classroom right now?
Ma'am, I guess he's stuck with the network.
Yes, Haley, you were speaking?
He's facing network issues, I feel.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Haley, would you help Anup to tell me how many students are there right now in the classroom?
We are 9 of us, including you, we are 10.
We are 9, including me, there are 10. So now I have to buy 70 rupees color pens for all 9 students. How much it would be? Calculate fast and tell me. 70 rupees color pen, one bunch, and 9 students. Nahida, Sharmila, I am expecting the answers from you.
Ma'am, you are asking that each one pen is color pen is 70 rupees, right?
No.
630, ma'am.
So the total pen
630.
teacher when I'm buying it. Yes, Sharmila.
630.
630.
Yes, 630.
630. Pavitra, is it the correct answer? 630.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pavitra.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, I know you are not well, but yeah, a response is always appreciated. So I am going to share the screen now, and I hope you all remember what we did in the last session. And the same example is related to the topic ratio and proportion. Is it visible? Everyone can see my screen, the colorful screen with the topic. Yes. Can I see some raised hand in the classroom if my screen is visible to everyone? Very good, very good. I could see active students in my classroom. Yes, students. So before we started the session, yesterday I have told you to prepare or to draw a bingo card in your book. I have individually given separate bingo cards for everyone. Can you show me on the screen if you have made it on the book? Very good. Haley is fast in the classroom. Very good. What about the others? Yes, Sabina has also drawn. Very good, Sabina. Felsi, Pavitra. Pavitra, it's okay. I can understand your part. But what about the others? Nahida, Sharmila, Felsi. You have prepared the bingo card? Yes, very good. Yes, Sharmila, I can see your bingo card. Very good. You just have to make it 3 cross 3. The way it is, you have to draw. Nothing else, no extra. I could see Sharmila has added some blocks. Don't have to add any blocks. Make it as it is, what was given to you on the WhatsApp. Done? Shall we start then? Everyone knows how to play bingo, or it has to be told, the instructions have to be told. Anyone in the classroom who has never played bingo in their life? Anyone? Sabina, no worries, Sabina. I'm going to tell you how to play it. What about the others? Sharmila, you know how to play bingo. Very good. Okay, so everyone is nodding. So yeah, for Sabina, we are going to help her to tell what are the instructions. So yes, I have provided you, Sabina, with some cards to everyone. So at least one scorecard should be there with each student. I hope whatever I am writing is there visible to you. The annotation is visible. Anup,
Yes.
Anup is there with me.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, so you have to have at least one scorecard with you, and that scorecard has 9 random numbers. Can you see on your scorecard these 9 random numbers are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now these 9 random numbers are actually the answers of the next coming questions. You would have 8 to 9 questions. You have to solve those questions and randomly, like you have to solve those questions and mark them on the board like this way. As you get the answer, if the answer is 450, you're going to mark 450. If the next answer is 300, you're going to mark 300. If the next answer is 2:5, you're going to mark 2:5. As one line is completed, you will join that particular line. This is how you're going to continue the game until you get 3 lines, and then you will shout bingo. Is it clear, Sabina, or you want me to explain
Yes.
it once again to Vita?
No, it is clear.
Clear, very good. What
So
about the
Aishwarya,
others?
everybody has a different card or what?
Yes, ma'am. Everyone has a different card because the card number is also different to them. If you
So
check,
this is new to me also. I also don't know this, that's why. Nice. Chalo.
yes, ma'am. But are the instructions clear to everyone? Everyone in the classroom?
Yes,
You want
yes,
me to
ma'am.
show something, a video maybe, or shall we directly start with a game?
Example. You can show us an example.
In an example, you want me to show, because I have also shared one video to you.
Yes, I've gone through it.
Wait a minute. A quick video and then we'll go ahead.
जो बॉल निकालेगा और उस नंबर को कॉल करेगा तो मेंबर्स जो हैं उसको यहाँ पे स्ट्राइक करते रहेंगे. तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग उनको बनाना होता है एक पैटर्न, विनिंग पैटर्न जिसको कि हम बोलते हैं. तो वो पैटर्न कौन से हैं? तो नेक्स्ट मैं अब आपको यहाँ पे बताने जा रही हूँ इसके विनिंग पैटर्न्स हम कौन कौन से ले सकते हैं. तो मैं आपको बेसिक विनिंग पैटर्न बताऊंगी, अदरवाइज बिंगो में बहुत सारे विनिंग पैटर्न्स हैं, अनलिमिटेड विनिंग पैटर्न्स हैं. तो आगे आने वाली वीडियोस में मैं आपको उनके बारे में भी बताऊंगी कि आप कौन कौन से टीम वाइज जो है विनिंग पैटर्न्स के साथ बिंगो खेल सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे जो सबसे पहला बेसिक पैटर्न है वो ये है, जब आपकी कोई भी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन के सारे नंबर जाते हैं तो आपको बोलना होता है बिंगो, और जो है नंबर्स मैच किए जाते हैं बोर्ड के साथ कि ये नंबर्स जो हैं वो स्ट्राइक हो चुके हैं या नहीं हो चुके हैं. ऐसे ही आप वर्टिकल लाइन के लिए भी खेल सकते हैं इसमें. और ये जो है BINGO, ये सारी जो है वर्टिकल लाइन के लिए हम इसमें खेल सकते हैं. और आपका जो फ्री स्पेस है ये भी मार्क होना चाहिए अगर आप जो है सेंटर वाली हॉरिजॉन्टल या वर्टिकल लाइन के लिए खेल रहे हैं. अगर आपका ये मार्क नहीं है तो उसको विनिंग में नहीं माना जाएगा. ऐसे ही डायगोनल के लिए, राइट डायगोनल एंड लेफ्ट डायगोनल के लिए हम इसमें खेल सकते हैं.
Okay, sorry. Is it clear now, students? I have also explained you the instruction, and there was this small video also to tell you about the instructions. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very much. Okay, thank you very much, Anu. What about the others? Again, can I see some raised hand in the classroom if you have clearly understood the instructions? Very good. This activeness is what is required.
Ma'am.
Sabina, Bacha, are you clear with the instructions?
Yes.
Very good. Let's start then. Everyone is there with me? So here is the game. I hope everyone is ready with the card. Your card should look like this only, students. Your card should look like this only, 3 cross 3. I have provided. If it is still not there, do let me know. Okay? Let's go ahead. Start, everyone? Yes?
Yes.
Very good. The first question is this. I hope the question is visible to everyone. Elsie, will you please read the question for me?
If one book costs 50, how much will 8 books cost?
Correct. Everyone solve. If you need my help, should I solve it on the board?
No, ma'am.
And then you have to mark that particular answer on the bingo.
Done.
Done. Very good.
Done.
Next. Shall I go to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Wherever you require my help, tell me. I'll annotate on the screen and give you some help. Okay. Next. Sharmila, please read the question for everyone.
Alice spent ₹10 in one day. How much will she spend in November?
Very good. In November. Haley, you are there in the classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Haley. How many days are there in November?
30.
30 days. Now, students, Haley has given us hint. And tell me how much Haley has spent and accordingly mark in the bingo.
Ma'am, 31 na?
November, there are 31 days. Is it?
30, ma'am.
I hope you all know about the knuckle things. Very good, very good. Nahida knows the trick. Anyone is new here who doesn't know the trick about how to calculate the number of days?
Done.
Very good. Next. Next. Anoop, you are there with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anoop. Please read the question for everyone.
Nahida pays ₹75 for 3 toffees. How much does she has to pay for 12 toffees?
For 12 toffees. Very good. Now it is a level higher, right? Understand, there were 73 rupees for 3 toffees. What would be the price if she buys 12 toffees? What we have to do, Nahida? You have bought the toffees, right? Tell me. Nahida is busy.
As 3 toffee is 75 rupees. So we have to like 3 fours is 12. We have to see that how many 12 toffees, how much 12 toffee we have to pay. For how much we have to pay for 12 toffees. So it will be 3 into 4 first. Then it will become 12. And that 12 amount should be multiplied with the 75 rupees. Is it so?
Okay.
Ma'am, shall I try?
Is it? Yes, yes, Haley, please help Nahida.
First, we'll divide 75 divided by 3. So we'll get the cost for 1 toffee and then we'll multiply.
Why are we dividing 3, Haley? I'm sorry to disturb you. Why are we dividing 3 with 75? Very good. Make it easy, Nahida. Make it easy. Don't go around the world. Make it easy. First, find the price for 1 toffee. And that's why Haley had said to divide 75 with 3. Very good, Haley. Then, after that,
whatever the cost that we'll get, we'll multiply it by 12. So we'll get the cost for all the 12 toffees.
very good. Is it clear, Nahida? You want me to solve? Anyone in the classroom wants me to solve, or they have already marked in the bingo? Done? Clear, everyone? I'm sorry.
I have a
I
doubt.
was a bit.
What will be the answer for this one then? It will be?
It will be what, students?
300 na ma'am. 300 because we have already cut down in before. Like before this question, it will also answer this 300.
300 for everyone. Want me to calculate Sabina, Felsi, Nahida? Nahida is already.
For this one, it is 300, and for last one, it was 400. Last to last one was 400.
Okay, I'm sorry. There's a bit.
300 we have already marked, no, before?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just before this question.
Okay, just a minute, just a minute. Let me go towards. What was the price of one toffee? Tell me.
Price for one toffee is 25.
Correct. Then.
So
Okay.
25.
25 multiplied by 20.
Let's take it the other way around then. Okay, let's take this as 300 only. We have more questions, students. Don't worry. Let's take this as a sample one. Are we good to go for the next value?
Yes, yes.
Okay, no worries, no worries. We have more questions, students, to please. Don't worry. Okay, next question. Sabina, will you read this question for everyone?
Cost of 4 dozen eggs is for rupees 60. How many eggs can be purchased for rupees 125?
Very good. Now the cost for 4 dozen egg. How many eggs are there in 1 dozen, students?
12.
So in 1 dozen we have 12 eggs. Understand? And then 4 dozen was for rupees 60. Accordingly, calculate for 125 rupees. How many eggs will you buy? For 4 dozen, how many eggs would be there, students? For 4 dozen, 48. How did you get the value, Haley?
1 dozen eggs.
How
like
did you
it is
land
12,
up to
so
the
4
value?
into 12 it becomes 48.
So 4 into 12 is the value 48. So for 48 eggs, what he spent is rupees 60. So for 125 rupees, how much egg will it cost? Everyone, please do calculate. And if you need help, I am there. Simultaneously mark in your bingo card. As it completes, do let me know. Chelsea, Anup, Sabina, you are there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Nahita, there are 2 logins from your end, is it?
Yes, ma'am, to take a screenshot of yours.
Okay, fine. Thank you very much. Clear? Is the value marked, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Everyone got the answer?
I didn't get the answer. Can somebody help me?
Sabina, you want me to help you with the answer?
Yes.
Yes. So now 48x, 60 rupees. So x, how many eggs for 125 rupees? What you're going to do here to find this value x? Tell me. What are you going to do?
Multiplication.
Pavitra, yes, Pavitra.
Cross multiplication.
See, I'll erase everything. 48x for 60 rupees. So x is the number of eggs I have to find here, equal to 125 rupees. What we'll be doing here? What sort of calculation would be there, Anup? Yes, Sabina,
100.
you want to answer?
100 is the answer.
100 is the answer, but how did you get the value? By
cross multiplication.
Very good. Cross multiplying. You are going to multiply 48 into 125, which is equal to x into 60. This multiplied 60 will get divided here. We'll get the value of x. So how many eggs will be there with me in 125 rupees, Sabina?
100 eggs.
100 eggs will be there. Very good. Next. This is a twist game. You will have 2 values here. So mark those 2 values. So this is a bonus one. Don't miss this. Mark it immediately. Nahida, what's there? Am I sitting there? You are there with me? Done. Everyone is marked. Anup, Pavitra, Sharmila, Nahida.
We have to mark 2 values in this one.
Yes, yes, those who are in proportion. 2 numbers, 2 ratios which are in proportion, you have to mark. Anyone has got any 3 lines marked till now?
I did not get the second value.
You did not get the second one. Check which 2 ratios are in proportion in that entire card. Which 2 ratios are in proportion? Check. This is how you're going to win. Which was the first ratio, Haley? Which is the first ratio? Anyone has got the answer? The 2 ratios which are in proportion. Anup is facing some network issue, is it? Yes. Have you got the answer for this one? Which 2 ratios are in proportion in your bingo card? Or you need my help? Speak up, speak up. That's how we are going to proceed with the lecture. Yes, but did not match. So check. You have still not got the answer. Here is the hint that it is in the ratio 7:2.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes,
ma'am. I got the answer, but I have not matched with the bingo. Like I have not written anything in that ratio.
Okay,
so it did not match with the bingo card.
Okay, no worries. There are more questions. Don't worry.
As you write 7/2 na, it's coming in answer, but it's not there in the bingo.
Bingo card, yes.
It's not there in the bingo card.
Ratio 10.
Is it like if I
what are the 2 ratios?
21/6
and
35?
Yes, there are more questions. Don't worry. If you have math, we have more questions. Here is the next question. Mark them. Still, nobody is going to get in a one go. So there are more questions to go around. Yes. Next is this question. Nahida, please read this for everyone. Have you read any of the previous question?
No, ma'am.
No,
Distance traveled by Anup and Felsi is an hour are 90 km and 12 km. Find the ratio of the speed of Anup to the speed of Felsi.
Yes, but it is 9 km, right? Anup has traveled 9 km. Felsi has traveled 12 kilometers. You have to find the ratio of the speed of Anup to Felsi. A very simple question. I hope everyone would be able to catch it and write the answer. Very good.
Done, ma'am.
Done? 9/12. So accordingly, mark. Next question. Next question. Yes, again, Anup and
only
Felsi
one,
are there.
ma'am. Only one line should be cut.
Only
one line should be cut.
One line should be cut. See what is the simplification of this? How will I write 9?
In the bingo card, should we have to cut only one line or more than one line?
No, total 3 lines should be cut. Total 3 lines. This is how we are going to work. See, 3 lines should be cut. 1, 2, 3. In any way, 3 lines should be cut. Then you win the game. See, I have written. If you
bingo.
get done, Areva, very good. Nahida has already got the bingo. What about the others?
Even I got for the same question.
Very good. We'll go towards that question. So till your, I think 2 students have already got bingo. Very good. So Nahida and Haley are the one who have got the bingo. Others?
Not yet, ma'am.
No worries. We have more 2 questions to go. I hope everyone will be cleared by then. This is the question. Haley, please read it for everyone. Let's help now others to win.
Out of 30 students in a class, 6 votes for Pavitra and 12 votes for Sabina, and remaining vote for Sharmila. Find the ratio of number of students voted for Pavitra to number of students voted for Sharmila.
Very good. Now, out of 30, there were 30 students. 6 were for Pavitra, 12 were for Sabina. And what about the remaining? How many students are there, Nahida?
12.
Left? How many are left?
Ma'am, I haven't heard.
Okay, you did. Will you please read it again for everyone, Nahida?
Yes, ma'am. Out of
Please
30 students in the class, 6 vote for Pavitra, 12 votes for Sabina, and remaining votes for Sharmila.
Stop.
Find the ratio.
Stop here, Nahida. Yes, now tell me how many students are remaining out of that 30 for Sharmila to vote? Calculate fast and tell me.
12.
12. Who is Nahida here? Nahida 2, Nahida 3.
Ma'am, 12.
12. Okay, Nahida was only the one who was answering 12. So now we have to find the ratio of Pavitra to Sharmila. What is the answer, students? What is the answer, Pavitra?
1:2.
1:2. I hope everyone has got the answer. Is anyone who has got bingo here? Let's see, after Nahida, Haley, who is the one who is going to win?
Again a bingo.
Again a bingo. Very good. Don't worry, don't get nervous about it. We have one more question, one more last question to go, and this question I hope everyone is going to ace. Shall we move to the next question, students? Anup?
Yes, ma'am.
Sabina?
Yes, ma'am.
Away from your wing with how many crosses? 1 cross, 2 cross, 3 cross?
One cross.
1 cross. Very good. Let's see if you get that cross in the next question. This is the question.
2 crosses. Sorry, 2 crosses.
2 crosses. No worries, no worries. This is the one last question. Let's see if you get that 2 crosses or you get that 3 lines together. Go ahead. Yes. Pavitra, beta, if you are ready to read this question, go ahead and please read it for everyone.
Out of 30 students in a class, 6 vote for Pavitra, 12 vote for Sabina, and remaining vote Sharmila. Find the ratio of number of students voted for Sabina to the total number of students.
Yes, there's a twist. Same question, but with a twist. Find the total number of students who voted for Sabina to the total number of students. How many total students were there? Anu, how
30.
many total students were there?
30.
Very good. And for Sabina, how many students have voted?
12.
12. So get the answer and tell me if you have got the cross. Yes, Sharmila, you got the crosses. What is the answer to this?
Bingo, ma'am.
Bingo, Areva, very good. This was expected from Sharmila. What about the others?
Bingo, ma'am.
Bingo, Areva. Now we have got 4 people getting bingo. What about Sabina and Anu?
No bingo.
No.
Not
I
yet.
have written
Fine.
different numbers in the bingo card.
Oh, is it? Fine, no problem, no problem. But I hope in the next class when we are going to again play bingo, you're going to have fun. Is it clear? Did you all have fun with this bingo card at least?
Yes,
have you
ma'am.
got the gist of it? Very good, very good. Can I see some people on the camera with the beautiful smile you have got? I could only see Anu.
We all are there.
Yes, Sabina is there with me. Yes, yes.
I'm
Lily
here.
has hold her bingo card. Can I see some other bingo cards as well? Very good, very good. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Yes. Great, great, great student. So now the winners, as you all know, the first winner was Naida. Then we had Haley and the rest, Sharmila, Pavitra, Anu, Sabina. Everyone is a winner in today's class. And to celebrate this winning, we are going to make something. We are going to prepare something. Anyone knows, like, from those ingredients which we have gathered, what are we going to prepare today? Raita, very good. Raita. What about others? Yeah, Raita, amazing. When did you have Raita? When did you enjoy Raita in your life?
Ma'am, with biryani.
With biryani, yeah, that's what we were discussing yesterday, right? In the group about biryani. Everyone loves to have biryani. Who's the one with the veg biryani here? I guess Haley is the one who would enjoy.
Anup also.
Anup also is there. Very good, very good. So no worries. The veg, non-veg is not going to bother us when we are going to prepare raita. Okay. So this is what we are going to prepare today. I hope we all are ready with the ingredients today. Can I see that you all are ready with the ingredients? Can you move your camera if you are using your mobile phone?
I didn't get cucumber.
No worries, Naida. We'll prepare raita which doesn't have cucumber. We'll make it, instead of cucumber, we'll use more of love in the raita. What about the others? Yes. Everyone is ready with the ingredient, or we'll learn and then you can prepare it for your mom as well. Okay, with whatever ingredient we have. Shall we start? Shall we go ahead? Yes, can I see some raised hand in the classroom if you are unable your cameras? Very good. My favorite students, active students. Felsi, you are there with me, no, bacha? Very good. She was very much excited yesterday for the raita thing. Yeah, let's go. Then this is the recipe which my mom has given me for raita. She makes delicious seafood, but this is the recipe which she gave me for raita. Now the point is, she gave me for 4 people because we stay in a nuclear family. I have my mom, dad, my brother as a sibling, and myself. So this raita recipe is for 4 people. Now today we are going to make it for individual, for one of us only. We have to reduce this entire recipe only for 1. You are going to help me. Instead of 4 people, we have to make it only for 1 people. Are you getting my point? 4 to 1. Yes, Sabina, you are nodding or you are saying no?
I'm saying yes.
Yes. Okay, that's how the gesture should be. Saying yes. Okay. Yes. So let's convert this entire 4 people recipe to 1 people recipe. Yes. Sharmila, go ahead. Instead of 4 cup of curd, how many cup of curds I'm going to use?
4 cup.
Instead of 4, I'm going to use 4 only. Instead of 4 cup of curds, I'm going to use
1 cup.
1 cup. Very good. Why Sharmila was sounding like this? Sharmila was the one who answered 1.
No, ma'am, I answered.
Where is Sharmila? Sharmila, you were there?
Yes, ma'am.
Sabina gave the answer.
Sabina gave the answer. Sabina, you shouldn't be helping people, huh? Like, help after it has been instructed. Okay, very good. If you are helping your friends in the classroom, it is a good gesture, but let the person speak first. Yes, Sharmila, is one answer correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now you tell me for the next thing. There were 2 cups of water. 2 cups of water. Now I have to reduce it to how much? 2 cups for 4 people. How much cup for one person?
Half.
Half. Very good. See, she knows the answer. Sabina, your friend is answering now. Next. After that, Nahida, earlier, like for 4 people, my mom uses 1 cup of tomato, chopped tomatoes. For 1 people, I'll be using only
1 by
1 by
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Very good. I have divided the value with 4. Amazing. Next, Heli.
Again, 1/4 of cucumber.
1/4 of cucumber. Next, Sabina.
It will be 0.25 cup.
0.25 is 1 by 4 itself. So there are 2 cups of carrot. So it will be 2 cups for 4 people. 2 by 4. Answer will be
half cup.
Simplified. Answer will be half. Very good. Now who helped? Sabina. I don't think Sabina was the only one who was answering.
No, I answered.
You only answered. Very good, Sabina. Next. There are 4 tablespoons. I hope you all remember very small spoons. Tablespoons are there of black pepper powder. 4 tablespoons. How many tablespoons now you are going to use? Anoop? Instead of 4 tablespoons, you're going to use only 1. I think it's teaspoon. Then we have 2 teaspoons of chaat masala. 4 teaspoons of black pepper. For 2 teaspoons, it would be Heli.
Half teaspoon of chaat masala.
Very good. For sugar, Kelsey.
Half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon, is it? You're going to put down 1 cup of curd, half teaspoon. It will all become very sweet. Sorry, even this is incorrect. Huh? This value is also incorrect. Where is the eraser I have? For 2 teaspoons, we will be cutting down into how much teaspoon? We are 2 even here. For 2 teaspoons, it will convert to Heli, Nahida, Kelsey. 2 teaspoons will be converted to half. Is it? There were 4 serving people, so we put 2 teaspoons. Now there is only 1 people, so it will become how much?
Half, ma'am.
No.
Half.
For 2 teaspoons. Really, for 2 teaspoons, it was for 4 people. 2 by 4. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm just getting it. Half is the correct answer. I'm sorry. Now again for 2 teaspoons, it will be again half. Then again for this last 2 teaspoons of jeera powder or roasted cumin, it will again be half. Is it understood, student? The ratio is understood to everyone. I'm sorry for my glitch, but is it understood for everyone now? Yes, please put up this ingredient together. Simultaneously, I'm going to play a video for you. Watch the video, make the ingredient, and then we are going to have it enjoyed with everyone. Okay? Shall I start with the video? Everyone is ready with the ingredient? Can I see some raise hand in the classroom, students? Very good. Let's start with this video. Simultaneously, please prepare the dish with you. Okay?
And go and sit in the kitchen and do it.
Sabina, take your phone as well if it is possible.
Laptop I cannot take it.
Okay, no worries. You have understood, then you can follow the procedure, do it, and then get the raita here in the classroom. No worries. Okay? Be quick with it.
Ma'am, this much cup is enough?
Yes, definitely. Nahida, do according, make it runny. Don't make it very watery or don't make it too thick. Make it runny so that it will be very good. Salt, coriander, everything is as per the dressing. Don't worry about it.
Ma'am, can you please show again the quantity?
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, you're muted.
Ma'am, you're muted.
Oh, I'm sorry. Pavitra, you have any doubt? You have raised your hand. Or is it done?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Those who are done, students, you all can take a selfie with the entire recipe while having it, while enjoying it. Very good, Sabina. I could see you are enjoying the raita. I hope definitely today you're going to make biryani at your end also. We'll enjoy it on Saturday as well. Okay. So prepare it, click a selfie, and there's a link in the chat box. You have to upload it. Okay. And as everyone is done, declare one homework and we'll stop with this session. Okay, let us know. Pavitra, Anup, Felsi, Sharmila, as you all are done, do let me know. Don't only click the photo of the raita, click a selfie where you are enjoying the raita. Okay, we have studied a concept. Very good, Pavitra. Yes, it looks, yeah. Amazing. Naida? Yes, very good. Even Naida is ready with her recipe. Yes, Naida, I could see. Yes, it looks amazing. It looks amazing.
Ma'am, I'm done, but I can't tell the bowl to show you.
No worries, no worries. Felsi, yes, the bowl looks huge, so you are going to prepare a huge amount of biryani for every one of us. Very good, student. So I hope everyone is there with me. Anup, are you there with me? Are you done? Anup is there. Sharmila?
Ma'am, can we have it?
Yes, definitely you all can have it. But before having it, very good, Anup. Before having it, you should be knowing its nutritional value. Why we are having it with a heavy biryani? Anyone knows why do we have raita with a heavy food, with a heavy biryani or chicken biryani?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Mahia, please go ahead.
Ma'am, because curd is very good for the stomach. It increases the good bacteria in the stomach. After having a lot of heavy food, we should have a curd or anything which is fibrous, which helps to digest the food.
Very good. There's one word, more word is there. Yes, what is that word? Anu? Yes.
Digestive.
Digestive. The word is digestive. Yes, but then what is there inside it? What is that property inside the curd which helps to break down the
lactic acid?
Bacteria, good bacteria.
Good bacteria, lactic acid. It is also called as also called as?
Ma'am, see what I have prepared.
You're going to put up the photos as well, right? Yes, it is called as antibiotic, student, so that it will fight with the bad bacteria in your body and it will create more of good bacteria. It will break down the food into more nutritionist value and get absorbed very easily. Yes. So simultaneously, what you will have to do is, students, simultaneously for the homework, you are going to watch a proper meal what you're going to have today in the lunch and tell me in what ratios they are. That's your homework. Ratio of rice with respect to chapati, with respect to the bhaji which you enjoy, with respect the vegetable, the veggie which you have in your plate with respect to the salad, and the same way how I have prepared the raita recipe here, your homework would be to prepare a table of the plate of your lunch table, lunch plate. Are you getting my point? Do you understand the homework, students? Can I see some raised hand in the classroom? Yes, amazing, amazing, amazing. Yes, thank you very much, students. See you in the next class with a new topic and with amazing activity. Thank you very much.
Pavitra. Very me. पवित्रा किधर है इधर?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
The game was very interesting, and everyone was interactive. Like everyone was asking question, and the doubt was solved by Aishwarya, and Raita making also a good idea, and she completed with like nutrition, telling about nutrition value of Raita, and homework also was given. So overall, it was a good lecture, but it took around 1 hour.
So that activity ऐसा ही हो रहा है 1 hour से ज़्यादा.
Yes,
okay. Anyway, because she took that bingo as well as the thing, na, raita making. Yeah, Haley.
I found it was very much interactive, and it was, it kept us engrossed in one or the other thing eventually. But the student like me who wouldn't like maths, no, अगर इतना difficult समय का ऐसा लगेगा छोड़ तो bingo नहीं करना है because bingo is like a game, it refreshes your mood at some point of time, but when a complicated sum comes, like no, I myself get frustrated, अब छोड़ दो नहीं करना है, but it but eventually one after a particular difficult question, a simple question came, it again got me to the game. nahi, there is a hope, I can do it. So it was eventually a good thing. She particularly step by step explained everything, and it was overall good.
Actually, she did with drill work. She played bingo, okay, online. So you all also solved everything, okay, and then you all came, and then she came with that activity of ratio and what to put when. So it was something very innovative, something nice, different.
It was innovative, and after that also she bought like reducing the proportion that we took, like reducing from 4% to 1%. It was very interactive that even in real life, if we come across such kind of thing, it would be very helpful for us also to reduce the amount of number, and we can cook accordingly if we want to. So it was basically a very good idea to go with, and it is a proper time to have a raita also if we make it.
अभी भूख लगा देख के. नाइदा को कुछ बोलना है.
Yes, ma'am. Like I have never thought of it that maths can be taught in such way. That student is so much engaged in such activity, not in one kind of proper. When she's explaining, we are playing bingo. I thought it's just cutting of numbers, but she has explained each and every step. Even I get stuck somewhere. One answer was wrong in that, but she had accepted. As a teacher, most of the teachers don't accept that they are doing wrong. They have written wrong, but she has accepted. She tell that she will change it. Let's see what we'll do. So that was the best part, I can say. And the making raita for understanding the ratio and proportion in a small student is very good, I can say. It takes time, but it's also very good.
या सी इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी मैथ्स में ही होना चाहिए, इनोवेट करो, कुछ सोचो, तुम्हारे साइंस में कुछ हो सकता है क्या?
न्यूट्रिशन एंड डाइट आल्सो,
द डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, उसके लिए यू कैन मेक समथिंग लाइक दैट, यू कैन गिव ईच वन ईमेल करके या सेपरेटली व्हाट्सएप करके कुछ कार्ड related to digestive system, different parts, so you can say the functions and then they have to mark the part. Means you can apply it differently. The game may be same, like how we play snake and ladders. Okay, all these things, right? Very good, nice. Now what time to meet? अभी किसका है इसके बाद?
Ma'am, I'll take.
हाँ?
Ma'am, break.
I'll take the next lesson.
ब्रेक के बाद ही बाबा, ब्रेक हम लोग को भी ब्रेक.
Yes, ma'am. After break, after.
तो 1:30 बजे. 1:30. ओके, ठीक है, चलो बाय. खाओ, रायता बना के खाओ.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
और रायता फैलाते रहो.
Listen, we can take a photo. अरे सब चले गए, भाग गए.
अरे नहीं है ना, हम लोग है ना.
हाँ, सब अपने अपना प्लेट ऐसे रखो, ऐसे, या फिर
मैं कौन सा प्लेट
I give to my dad to eat. I do not have it with me. He already ate it.
हाँ, मेरे पास हेली का है, हम लोग कोलाज बना सकते हैं. हेली का मेरे पास है, बाकी सभी हेली जैसा ही कुछ ऐसा बना दो अच्छा सा.
Just hold it like this. I'll take screenshot. ऐसे.
I'll hold a bowl just for a steak.
ऐसे.
हाँ, अनूप इसका हेली का आ गया है. वैसा ही फोटो निकालो, मस्त है कोलाज बना दो.
I'll hold an empty bowl.
Aishwarya, stop sharing the screen. I'm taking a screenshot from my laptop.
मैं क्या होल्ड करूँ?
You must have it, ना?
नहीं.